In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open files and folders in Google Drive. This process is quite straightforward, but whether you're new to the platform or just need a quick refresher, I'll walk you through each step to ensure you have a smooth experience. So, let's dive in. To get started, you'll first want to navigate to Google Drive. You can do this by going to your preferred web browser and typing in Google Drive's URL, or simply searching for it. Once you are on the Google Drive homepage, you'll need to log in with your Google account credentials if you haven't already. Your Google Drive is your personal storage space where you can access all the files and folders you've uploaded or shared with you. Once you're logged in, you'll see the Google Drive dashboard. You can either browse through your files manually or use the search bar at the top of the page to find specific items. The search feature is highly effective. It allows you to find files by name, type, or even specific words within a document. For today's example, let's say you're looking for a folder named Projects. Simply type the name into the search bar and press enter. After the search results load, you should see a list of files and folders that match your query. Here, finding the folder you need is straightforward. Look through the list until you spot the folder named Projects, or whatever name you're looking for. Google Drive organizes your items efficiently, making it easy to pinpoint exactly what you need without unnecessary scrolling. Once you've located the folder you're interested in, there are a couple of ways to open it. The quickest way is to simply double-click the folder with your mouse. This action will open the folder right there in your drive, displaying all the files contained within. If you've got a trackpad, a double tap works just as well. Now, if you wish to open a specific file within that folder, the process is similar. Just browse through the contents of the folder until you find the file you want to open. Then double click on the file and it will open in a new tab within your browser. Depending on the type of file, Google Drive may open it with a relevant Google app, such as Google Docs for documents, Google Sheets for spreadsheets, or Google Slides for presentations. That's it, you're now able to easily access all your files and folders in Google Drive, enhancing your workflow and productivity. Remember, the search feature is your best friend when finding specific items quickly, and double-clicking is the magic gesture for opening them. With these easy steps, navigating through Google Drive becomes intuitive and hassle-free. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Feel free to like, comment or share if you have any questions or need further clarification. Happy exploring!